In this guitar lesson, we'll take a look at how to switch between B minor and G. When we look at this PDF here, there's a few possibilities you can think about for transitioning. So all these different versions of the G can be used to transition between G to B minor or B minor to G. The easiest one, I would say, is where both of these chords share the same finger here. So the first finger. So let's take a look at that on the guitar. So we're gonna do this shape for the G, right? So I have an angle here, and then we're gonna have to kind of rotate a little bit and extend down the first finger, and then we go into the B minor shape. So you can see there's a little bit of rotation going on. Okay, so this is one version. As you can see, this second finger tends to travel a lot, and the 3 and 4 travel a lot this way. So if I slow this down, it's a lot of coordination to do. I would recommend just practicing this just for your finger dexterity. So if I play this and to B minor, G, B minor. Okay, so the second version, or the second option, is to open up the first finger here. So the first finger is we'll have the first finger available here, and then it'll be easy to get the shape for the B minor. Okay, so let's explore that one. So it goes 3, 2, and 4, like that. And then my first finger is open here. It's available to move into the B minor easier. And then we'll explore the other fingers and how they do. So it's like that, and then we're going to go like that. So 3, 2, 4, and then 1, 3, 4, 2. Okay, of course, if you're having difficulties with this, with the stretches as well, right? So the stretch is between these two, horizontal stretch and then vertical stretch. I would try and place your capo here, and then use this as your first, second, and third frets to kind of get these shapes in your fingers, so that they're much easier as you move for the horizontal stretches. It'll be much easier. All right, that's it for this lesson. If you have any specific questions and the struggles that you're having with your chords, comment down below and I will try and make a video about it. It's a great way to kind of have a dialogue back and forth with what people are kind of struggling with, because barre chords are not easy, especially if you're a total beginner. You don't practice as much. You don't get time to practice these types of things. It can get really frustrating. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, keep practicing.